Yeah, it's the most blessing game you can be a part of. Like the credit game, the more you educate yourself on it, and that's what we tell people. Listen, don't just listen to us. Go out there and get the information. Google it, YouTube it, watch other people what they talk about. Make that thing embed in your brain because when you become a life designer or you become a member and you start to build your own network and you have all this education, you know how easy it is for you to build your own network. It's super easy. You don't want to be a salesperson. You want to be a consultant. You want to be the expert. Most people don't want to be the expert. Once you tell yourself, I'm the expert, that's it. Now they say, okay, you're the expert, so help me out. And if you got a little bit of information that's more than them, they're going to look at you like, okay, this guy look like he can help you. And at the same time, you got right designer people that's behind you that can actually help you with the process. All you got to do is bring them over, we have a conversation, close them, and they become part of that structure. And the idea is for you to bring in your friends, the people that like you, the people that trust you, the people that believe in you, the people that respect you. Because my thing is, when we build this network, we try not to